Hey guys, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, we are going to make my keto no-bake cheesecake fluff. And we're also going to make my granola that we're going to use to top the cheesecake fluff. And it's super delicious. You are not going to believe how easy it is as well. So let's get started. So before we get to our cheesecake fluff, the new no-bake cheesecake fluff, I'm going to make the granola that I'm going to use to top the cheesecake fluff. So in this bowl, I have already chopped some walnuts, some pecans, and some slivered or sliced almonds. And they're in here. So now we're going to add all the other ingredients that we need for the granola. This is some white sesame seeds, but you could also use black sesame seeds if you want. And we have some chia seeds and some salt and some cinnamon. And this is some swerve sweetener. And then we've got some almond flour. And you don't have to just use this for, to top your cheesecake fluff. You can use it just as a snack. It's really good granola. We're also going to add in some coconut oil just to bring it all together. Now we're going to stir this up. Okay, we've got this all stirred up. So now we can dump it onto our sheet tray. And we're gonna bake this in a 375-degree oven for about 10 minutes. That's all it takes. And then you're gonna have some delicious granola, keto granola for snacking. Or you can have it for breakfast to top your yogurt or your keto cheesecake fluff. All right, this is ready for the oven. Okay, while our granola is cooking in the oven, I'm gonna get started on the no-bake cheesecake fluff. So the first thing we have to do is beat our heavy cream to stiff peaks. So I'm just gonna use my hand mixer and do that really quick. Okay. Now we can add in our cream cheese. This is 1 block of cream cheese. And we're also going to add in some swerve sweetener. This recipe is super easy. It's only 4 ingredients. And we're also going to add the zest of 1 lemon. And you don't have to add this, but I think it gives the mousse such good flavor. And it's really good if you use like a lemon bar crumble, which I have used in the past. I use these Atkins Lemon Bars. I just crumble it up and it is super delicious. And I know not everyone eats the Atkins food. That's why we're also doing the granola. So I think that's enough lemon zest. So now we're just going to beat this until it's all combined. And you need to make sure that your cream cheese is super soft, or else you're going to have really lumpy cheesecake mousse. Mine was super soft. It's going to come together in no time. That lemon smells so good. And so does the granola in the oven. It smells amazing. Okay, so now we can take these off. And you can see how smooth our mousse is, and it looks amazing. This serves, this is a very, very rich dessert. And it's going to serve 4 to 6 people because you're not going to be able to eat a whole lot of it because it's super rich. So whenever our granola is all ready, we will put it all together. Okay, our granola is all ready, our keto granola crumble, and I've also chopped up an Atkins Lemon Bar. So we can put this all together now. We'll just put a nice spoonful of the mousse. And then we'll put, I'm gonna make this one with this granola bar or this lemon bar. And then another spoonful of mousse. And top it with a little more lemon bar. Doesn't that look amazing? Let me get a spoon. Isn't that so cute? This would be the perfect, like a dinner party. If you want to have a keto dinner party, this is perfect. So or just anytime you want to have some keto cheesecake mousse. So let's make one with the granola. A little bit of mousse, a spoonful of granola. We'll do a little bit more. A little bit more granola. And there you have it. That one's a little bit messier. So you can find all of these recipes on my blog, jenniferbands.com, and you can just search for no-bake cheesecake mousse or the keto granolas on there. It's 2 separate recipes. Or you can go into the description below where I have the links to the printable recipes, and I also have the recipes listed down there. You'll be happy to hear. Now you don't have to click over to my website. You can just go down to the description and the recipes are right there. But guys, I hope you love this recipe and serve it to your friends. It is super delicious, and I will see you guys later. Bye.